At the bottom of the viewport, a set of ECG measurements is displayed, including the PR interval, QRS duration, QT interval, corrected QT interval, RR interval, heart rate, ST segment elevation, PRT axis, and non-invasive blood pressure. If the ECG device provides values for these measurements, the corresponding fields will be pre-filled and available when the exam is opened. Otherwise, non-derived measurements can be updated manually. To update a measurement, click its value to highlight it in yellow, then perform the measurement by clicking at the beginning, dragging the mouse horizontally or vertically as needed, and releasing it at the end. Only measurements highlighted in light grey can be updated. Please note that all changes are temporary and will not be saved after the session ends.